incisor tooth in the upper jaw. Canine tooth in the upper jaw. Premolar tooth in the upper jaw. Molar tooth in the upper jaw. Match the correct half words under the picture of the objects or events related to nutrition in animals. One of the words given in brackets fills in the blank correctly. Click on the correct word to complete these statements.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Uh-oh. That's right.